Jamie Oliver has given fans a glimpse of his stylish £6 million country home complete with classic interiors and a huge football pitch. The TV chef, 46, splashed out on the incredible pad in 2019, and he now resides in the picturesque village of Finchingfield. The Olivers have offered fans a peek inside their 16th-century Spain's hall, which includes converted stables, 6 bedrooms and of course, a very large kitchen. The home is set on a 70-acre estate, and even includes a 3-bedroom lodge on the grounds. In a room that appears to be the kids' new playroom, toys can be seen stored in glass-fronted cabinets, and there are comfy chairs for the youngsters to relax in. Jamie's wife, model Juliet Norton, also shared a photo inside their living room, which has wooden floors and leather sofas. The spectacular room also has an open fireplace and family photos on the mantelpiece. Another living space sees snug turquoise sofas and a road sign bearing the name of London District Hampstead on the wall. Meanwhile, Terry's a crisp green canvas on the walls of the high-ceiling playroom adorned with toys. In the bathroom, Terry's a classic white tub, but the room is given life with stunning floral pattern paper covering the walls. Of course, any house belonging to Jamie must have an incredible kitchen, and the one in their Essex pad is certainly something to write home about. It has huge windows to flood the room with natural light, and has tiled flooring and wooden paneling on the walls. It comes with an island unit with bar stools so the family can sit together while Jamie whips up a feast. There's also a long wooden table with bench seating so Jamie and Jules can eat with their kids, Poppy Honey Rosie, 20, Daisy Boo Pamela, 18, Petal Blossom Rainbow, 12, Buddy Bear Maurice, 11, and River Rocket Blue, 5. The Oliver kids can run around in their huge garden, which includes a large lawn and a wooden swing. It also boasts a football pitch where they can show off their ball skills with their pals. Jamie, who is worth an estimated £100 million, organised for renovations at the 16th-century mansion when they moved in. Oliver and his wife Jules have previously shown off the inside of their other plush £8.9 million mansion at Hampstead Heath. Their other home, a Grade 2 property, is complete with 7 bedrooms and an open-plan kitchen. Oliver opened his first Jamie's Italian in 2008 and saw rapid expansion across the UK in the early 2010s. But in 2017, it was revealed that the Essex porn star's firm owed staff £2.2 million and was in £71.5 million of debt. Jamie's Italian shut 12 of its 37 sites as part of a company voluntary agreement, and steakhouse chain Barbago went into a pre-pack administration. We shared How Can You See Through the Lockdown with exclusive recipes from Jamie Oliver. And Jamie lost £25 million when his Jamie's Italian restaurant chain collapsed. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.